In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert multiple images in Google Sheets using a simple method that keeps everything clean and organized inside your cells. Start by opening your sheet and selecting the cell where you want your first image to appear. This is important because the image will be placed exactly in that cell. Next, go to the top menu, click on Insert, then choose Image and select Image in Cell. This option ensures your image stays attached to the cell instead of floating above the sheet. Now, upload your image from your computer. Once selected, it will appear neatly inside the chosen cell. To add more images, repeat the same process for other cells. Select a new cell, go to Insert, then Image in Cell and upload a different image. This is the best method when you want different images in each row, like product photos or profiles. If you want to reuse the same image quickly, click on the cell with the image, then drag the fill handle across or down. This duplicates the image into multiple cells instantly. To make your images look clean, adjust the row height and column width so everything fits properly. This keeps your sheet visually organized and easy to read. That's it. You now have a simple way to insert and manage multiple images directly inside your spreadsheet cells, making your data more visual and much easier to understand.